Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. When was the National Hockey League founded? Option A 1920, B 1927, C 1917 and D 1915. The correct answer is 1917. The National Hockey League was organized on November 26, 1917 in a Montreal following the suspension of operations by the National Hockey Association of Canada Limited. Question number 2. World Intellectual Property Organization is situated at A. Geneva, B. Paris, C. London and D. New York. The correct answer is Geneva. The World Intellectual Property Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations and its headquarters are located in Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 3. Which bank has become the first private sector bank to sell Indian gold coins? A. Dhanlaxmi Bank, B. Federal Bank, C. ICICI Bank and D. Axis Bank. The correct answer is Federal Bank. Kerala-based private sector lender Federal Bank has tied up with MMTC for distribution of Indian gold coins. The first ever national gold offering by the government, which was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in November 2015. Question number 4. Where electricity supply was first introduced in India? A. Darjeeling, B. Pune, C. Chennai and D. Mumbai. The correct answer is Darjeeling. According to available information, the first electricity supply in India was introduced in Darjeeling. The first hydroelectric installation in India was set up near a tea estate in Sirda Pong, Darjeeling around 1897. Question number 5. Which planet has the highest mountain in solar system? A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Venus and D. Mars. The correct answer is Mars. Mars has the highest mountain in solar system, Olympus Mons. It's sealed volcano that about 21.9 kilometers high. This is almost 2.5 times taller than Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. Question number 6. What is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh? A. Leopard, B. Lion, C. Black bug and D. Ghayal. The correct answer is black bug. Question number 7. Among which of the following is not a version of the Windows operating system? A. Windows 7, B. Windows 8, C. Windows 9 and D. Windows 10. The correct answer is Windows 9. Question number 8. Where was the first engineering college of India located? A. Calcutta, B. Varanasi, C. Roorkee and D. Bombay. The correct answer is Roorkee. India's first engineering college was the Thomson College of Civil Engineering in Roorkee, which is now called the Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, IIT Roorkee. It was established in 1847. Question number 9. Which position in Basketball is typically responsible for setting up play and distributing the ball. A. Shooting guard. B. Small forward. C. Power forward. And D. Point guard. The correct answer is point guard. Often called the floor general, the point guard is considered the leader of the offense, tasked with bringing the ball up the court, reading the game, and getting the ball to the best scoring option on the team. Question number 10. Which team won the first Olympic gold medal in ice hockey? A. Sweden. B. United States. C. Canada. And D. Finland. The correct answer is Canada. Question number 11. Which book within the Mahabharata contains the Bhagavad Gita? A. Adi Parv. B. Sabha Parv. C. Udyog Parv. And D. Bhishma Parv. The correct answer is Bhishma Parv. Question number 12. JavaScript is a trademark of which company? Option A. Google. B. Oracle. C. Microsoft. And D. IBM. The correct answer is Oracle. Initially, the trademark of JavaScript was issued to Sun Microsystem on 6th May 1997. And now JavaScript is a trademark of Oracle Corporation. It was transferred when the Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystem in 2009. Question number 13. The Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hill were formed in same age as the Malwa Plateau, B. Himalayas, C. Shivalik Range and D. Himachal Range. The correct answer is Malwa Plateau. These hill ranges are located in Meghalaya and are considered to be part of the same geological formation as the Malwa Plateau. Question number 14. The dance encouraged and the performance from the temple of Tanjavur was A. Bharatanatyam, B. Kathakali, C. Udi and D. Kathak. The correct answer is Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance that was performed in temples in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, India. It was originally a dance for women and was performed by Devadis or servant of the deity. Question number 15. In which layer of the sun does nuclear fusion takes place? A. Core. B. Convective zone. C. Radiative zone. And D. Photosphere. The correct answer is core. Nuclear fusion in the sun takes place in the core layer of sun. The core is the central region of the sun where the extreme pressure and temperature conditions allow hydrogen atom to fuse together, creating helium and releasing energy that powers the sun heat and light. Question number 16. How much blood does a human heart pump in a day? A. 500 gallons, B. 2000 gallons, C. 1500 gallons and D. 1000 gallons. The correct answer is 2000 gallons. A human heart pumps about 2000 gallons of blood in a day. This is equivalent to the amount of water needed to fill a 8 by 10 foot swimming pool. Question number 17. Which river is closely associated with the birthplace of Ram in Ramayana? A. Gangas, B. Yamuna, C. Godavari and D. Sarayu. The correct answer is Sarayu. The Ramayana states that are located of Rama birthplace is on the bank of Sarayu river in a city called Ayodhya. Modern day Ayodhya is in the North Indian state of Uttar Pradesh? Question number 18. How many major rings does Saturn ring system consist of? A. 2, B. 5, C. 7 and D. 9. The correct answer is 7. The 7 main rings are labeled in the order in which they were discovered. From the planet outward, they are D, C, B, A, F, G and E. The D ring is very faint and close-sand to Saturn. The remaining ring are A, B and C. Question number 19. Which type of sand in Kerala is rich in thorium? A. Gypsum sands, B. Monazite sand, C. Silica sand and D. Black sand. The correct answer is monazite sand. The monazite sand in Kerala are rich in thorium. Monazite is a phosphate base mineral that occur in the form of reddish brown crystal in the sand of Kerala. Question number 20. The world's first webcam was created in option A 1987, B 1991, C 1993 and D 1997. The correct answer is 1991. The world's first webcam was created in 1991 by the Quentin Stafford Fraser and Paul Judgety at the University of Cambridge. It was originally used to monitor a coffee pot in the university computer lab. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.